Hello, it's Mark Matorshuch here from Markham 3D. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button. Today, what we're going to be talking about is random transformation. Now, what I've done here is I've selected just a few parts, a few greeble parts from a collection from Andrew Hodgkin. Now, this guy is Senior Hard Surface Modeler at Industrial Light and Magic Vancouver. Star Wars. Cool. So I bought it from Gumroad, his pack, and it's in the description. Let him know that I sent you there. But anyway, this is what we've got. We've got about 5-6 pieces here. And what we want to do is, yeah, this ship looks nice, but this is just parts that I've placed. I want to kind of mix it up a little bit. So I'm going to press space, and I'm going to type in randomize transformation. Now I've got all my parts selected. And what I'm going to do now is where its location, this is the distance that it's going to move each object in a random location along the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, rotation and scale. So I'm going to set this to 5 because these are pretty big meshes. And these are some very high poly models. So it's just going to take a little bit extra to load. And there you have it. It's randomized the location of these pieces. And already it's changed the ship completely. I mean, it brought these engines in here. This piece that was in the center has come to the side, which actually looks quite nice. I mean, I can mirror that and bring it over. The cockpit, this piece here is the cockpit. And that's now moved over into the middle and brought this piece forward, which now looks like almost like a capital ship. So if I press Ctrl Z, let me see if I can go back to my transform menu. But let's have a look at some other options. So I'm going to just change the random seed and I'm just going to start pressing next, next, next. Now, because this is a high poly mesh, it is going to take a little bit longer, but with low poly meshes, you know, if you're just blocking out, you get some, you know, it'll go much faster. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's an interesting design. If that was more in the center. But this is randomizing transformation. Amazing way to quickly conceptualize new objects, new ships, space stations, however you want. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like the video, leave a comment. It really helps me out, it makes the channel grow, and I just want to thank you for your support.